In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this Polestar one from Need for Speed Heat in Lego. Let's go. Okay, so I actually built this car off camera, so I don't really know what I'm going to do instead of showing you how I built it. I will show you some of the techniques and what I really like about this design. I'll also be comparing this to the real in-game model of this car in Need for Speed Heat to see if I got all the details right. So let's get into the video. One of my favourite details on the car is actually this rear wing and also the lights behind it. So the rear wing is made by putting these 1x1x2 brackets on the back of this cockpit piece, which then in turn has some tiles and some more brackets that adds the side of the spoiler. Another part of the build that I think I did pretty well on is the front of the build. So the headlights are made with some bracket pieces put on top of some tiles, which then have some wedge plates on top, which also have some slopes on top of there. And for the front bumper and grille, there are a mix of some snot bricks and plates, which then have some tiles and slope pieces for the bottom of the bumper. And for the splitter, we have some plates with the snot bricks with curves on top. Some more small details that I like is the interior and the rear headlights. I also think I did well on the sides, with the car being 10 studs wide instead of 8 studs wide, and the wheelbase being 8 studs wide instead of 6 studs wide. Now I've showed you all the details, let's compare it with the real car in Need for Speed Heat. Okay, so we're in Need for Speed Heat right now, and to show you the Polestar in-game, I need to head to the dealership because I don't actually have it yet. Oh, I'm literally about to die. This is the Polestar, and you can see that it is pretty close to my design. So you got the back LED I showed you earlier with the headlights and the massive wing, which I think I got pretty well. The side with the wide body kit, which I don't think I got as well. Of course, we have the front, which I think I captured pretty nicely. So that is the car in Need for Speed Heat. I think that was all the details I wanted to show you in today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch some more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.